this is Tina. This is another video on Royalton, and this time it's about the food and the restaurants at Royalton. I've done another vlog video showing you the beautiful beach, all the pools, and the presidential suite with the swim out that we had. I'll link the vlog video down in the description box, but this video is about the food and the restaurants at Royalton. Royalton is an all-inclusive resort in Cancun. On its website, it says that it has 10 restaurants and 16 bars. The resort has since changed its website to say that there are 9 restaurants and 12 bars at the resort. Some of the restaurants were only available to Diamond Club members. You have to pay additional to become a Diamond Club member, which we didn't do. You can find out how to become a Diamond Club member on its website by going to accommodations and click on Diamond Club. And then it'll tell you the benefits of being a Diamond Club member, such as the butler service. And of course, because we were going with kids, we didn't go to any of the bars. But we dined at all of the restaurants that were available to us. I'm gonna take you through each of the restaurants, what we thought of the food, and if we will go back again. So let's start. Gourmet Marche. Gourmet Marche is the international buffet. The buffet is the only restaurant that opens for breakfast, so we went there every morning. They have lots and lots of options, anywhere from your regular sausage, egg, cereal, and if you're feeling fancy, you can get the chef to make your own omelet, pancake, and such. There are also lots of bread and pastry and fruits available at the buffet, and also lots of dessert and ice cream and drinks. The kids love the buffet because they can just go grab whatever they want at the buffet. Zen Japanese restaurants. Zen was the only restaurant that we went twice. Once we had the teppanyaki at the table where the chef was cooking right in front of you, and the second time we just had a sit-down dinner in the main floor. The teppanyaki was very fun. The chef basically performed a show right in front of you as he cooked, and the kids really enjoyed it. The sushi at the teppanyaki was good, but the fried rice and all the meat was a little bit salty. The food at the regular table was good, it was above average. But we do have very high standards for Asian food. We've had tons of very authentic Asian food. So this restaurant is very good for an all-inclusive resort. Hunter Steakhouse. In my opinion, the Steakhouse is the best restaurant at the resort. Everything that they have was very delicious. Even the salad and the onion soup was so good, and their petite steak was amazing. The dessert was really yummy too. The next time I would definitely go to the Steakhouse at least twice. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time a new video is posted. Taj Indian Cuisine. So I feel like for me, I prefer the Americanized Indian cuisine, like the butter chicken, the naan, that's my go-to. So I don't have enough authentic Indian cuisine to judge whether this restaurant is authentic or not. But everything in this restaurant was super sweet. Like the mango lassi was super sweet, the dessert was super sweet, like everything was just too sweet for my liking. So I didn't really enjoy this restaurant as much. Even the pink dessert that they had, the kids were so happy when they saw it, but after they took a bite, they didn't want to have it anymore. Like, it was just super sweet. So the Taj Indian Restaurant, I'm not sure if I would go back again. The Grazie Italian Restaurant, I hope I'm saying it right. We had lunch at the Italian restaurant the last day. The restaurant had a lot of choices. We thought the carpaccio was really good, but the pasta and the risotto was okay, wasn't amazing. Hey, let's talk about dinner reservations. So in order to make a dinner reservation ahead of time, you have to be a Diamond Club member. Otherwise, you can only make dinner reservations on the day off. There are two places where you can make dinner reservations. One is right in front of the buffet. There is usually a person sitting there in the morning to take reservations. And two is at the guest services desk by the front door. They start booking dinner reservations at around 7 a.m. And the popular restaurants go fast. So does the popular dinner time slots. If you have kids that have a certain bedtime or meal time, you want to go early to reserve your reservation to make sure you get the restaurant and the time that you want. You have to go in person to make the dinner reservations. You cannot call, which I found really annoying because one morning we slept in and I had to walk 10 minutes to the front door to make sure that I get the reservation and the time that I want. And of course, there's room service. You can find the menu on the TV in your room. We did order room service a few times, but we think the food was just mediocre and we do prefer going out to the restaurants to eat. Nibbles. Nibbles is this little haunt by the pool, and that's where you go to get your bar food when you're by the pool. They have things like nachos, hot dog, hamburger, fries, and nuggets. No, they don't have drinks. You ask a waiter for your drink by the pool. Scoops, Gelato, and Caffe Lounge. This is one of the few places, if not the only place, that is open the entire day. And if you want something to eat in between meals, this is where you go. They have things like gelato, ice cream, coffee, cold chocolate, and also they have savory foods like sandwiches, if you prefer that. We went there almost every single day to get ice cream, and their iced coffee is so good. And that's it. If you have been to Royalton, comment down below and let me know your favorite restaurant. If you haven't been, let me know which one you want to try. And I'll see you next time. Bye!